First, wash your hair. Make sure that it is still wet and start applying a deep conditioner. Here we are using the Manuka Honey and Mafuro Oil Deep Conditioner by Shea Moisture. This is one of our favorite deep conditioning treatments as it contains protein, has a super rich consistency, and makes your hair smell amazing. Apply the deep conditioner all over your hair, but make sure to always start applying the product in the lengths of your hair. The lower part of the hair tends to get a bit more dry and therefore needs a more generous amount of product. Once you're finished applying the deep conditioner, tie the hair up and place a plastic cap to cover the hair before you put on the heat cap. You can rinse the cap when you're done and reuse many times. Now heat up your heat cap in the microwave and place it onto your head. Leave for about 20 to 30 minutes for maximum impact. The heat cap will really open up the hair cuticles and make sure that the deep conditioner can do its job. When you're done, rinse your hair thoroughly with water. After rinsing the hair, we are going to style and bring out those curls. Make sure to style on wet or damp hair. Start by dividing the hair in sections. The first product you should always apply is a leave-in conditioner. This will make your hair feel and look more hydrated. Here we are using the Innersense Sweet Spirit Leave-In Conditioner that comes in a convenient spray container. Spray on the leave-in conditioner all over the first section of the hair. Then apply some gel into your hair to make sure that your curls get through the day. We are using the Cream of Nature Snot Gel. This has a thick consistency and gives the curls a strong hold. I am applying the gel with the praying hands method. First, I rub some product into my hands and then I apply it by placing my hands around the hair, smoothing the hair down from root to end. This will help eliminate frizz and give you smooth looking curls. Now grab your brush. We are using a Denman brush here, which helps to enhance curl definition, but if you don't have one, any brush will do. Always brush your hair from end to root to separate knots more easily without pulling out too many hairs. Towards the end of the strand, we turn our brush a little bit to the inside to help the strand fall into a more defined curl pattern. Make sure to scrunch the curl after brushing. Now repeat for the other sections of your hair. Start with the leave-in, then apply gel and finish off with brushing and scrunching your curls. If at any point during the routine your hair seems to have dried up a little, you can always add some water. The hair should always be wet or damp to get the most out of styling. For the strands in the front, it might be nice to help them out a little by finger coiling them to get some extra defined curls in front. When brushing, it is important to brush away from the scalp like I am doing here to ensure that your hair has bounce and volume. Now I'm using the Shea Moisture Frizz-Free Curl Mousse to scrunch the hair. This is a great lightweight mousse that really activates the curls and makes them look super defined. And now it's time for blow drying. Heat is not a great thing for your hair, and so you should always make sure to use a diffuser. This spreads out the heat more evenly on your hair instead of applying it directly and damaging it. Make sure to always use a mild heat setting to dry but not fry your hair. You can also choose to air dry, but diffusing will give you that extra dimension and volume. Always start with the roots as these take the most time to dry. For maximum volume, it's best to diffuse the hair upside down. Dry the hair until it's about 70% dry and leave the rest up to the air. And there you go, your curls look popping.